So yeah, I was talking about identity operator. We'll talk about membership operator also in some time, but let me first cover identity operator. Identity operator is also represented via is, is, right? So let us dive a little bit deeper into what happens when we declare a variable x equal to 10, right? So what happens whenever we declare a variable and put a value inside it in the RAM? Is everyone aware of RAM and hard disk? We have RAM, we have hard disk in our system. So RAM is for temporal memory, where our variables are created. Yes or no? RAM is the memory where these variables would be created, right? So what will happen is, as soon as we say x equal to 10, there is one location in RAM where we put 10 and we say x variable refers to this location. Does that make sense? So whenever we say x equal to 10, that means 10 is somewhere in the RAM and x just refers to that location. Yes or no? Everyone? Okay. So if we want to look at some idea around the location of our variable, we can get it via ID. So there is a function ID of any variable that gives us the identity, like it's like your roll number, right? So kind of something that represents the address or the location in the RAM where this variable is located. So if I try to print the ID of x, it is this number, right? Does that make sense? So ID, what is ID for?